Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a calendar using the Google Sheets template. So if you want to create a calendar, you don't need to create it from scratch. You can easily go to the spreadsheets, Google Sheets, and go to the template gallery and use the annual calendar template. Here is the template. Click on that and the templates will be open, so you can see the calendar is now on 2024 this year, but you can change it into, for example, the next year. And here you can also customize the theme of the calendar. Here you can customize your calendar by following this instruction, so you can use your personal style into the calendar. You can just go to format and select theme. Let's try to use a format and select theme, and there will be the on the right panel there will be the format options that you can customize. So the current theme is simple light. You can just here change the theme to your liking. I'm going to, so for example, use this momentum, so you can close it, and now the theme will be changed. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.